Hey baddie, welcome back to another tutorial. So today we're going through my routine to You Already Know by 112. This is such a sexy vibe. I did this one a couple years ago. It was a class favorite. I actually need to bring it back to the studio, but we're gonna have some fun with this one for sure. There is some floor work, so go ahead and grab your knee pads. You see I got my knee pads on today, okay, because I'm not playing around, honey. So grab your knee pads, make sure you are fully warmed up and stretch, and let's get into it. Okay, baddie, so we actually start this routine to the back, but I'm just gonna show you the move to the front. So we're gonna be in a neutral stance here. Remember, this routine is mirrored, so any direction that I'm referring to, we're gonna be going the exact same way, okay? So we are gonna start to bend your left knee as you look over your right shoulder. Now what's happening here is I am bending, so to the side it looks like this. So I'm feeling up my right booty cheek as I look over my shoulder, okay? So I'm gonna do that to the back now, okay? So I'm here, this is gonna be 1, 2. Okay, so we have a nice line in that right leg, bending on the left. Again, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2. Okay, so we start on the part where he's saying, tonight, girl. Okay, and then we're gonna drop on yes. So let's do that again. 5, 6, 7, and tonight, girl. Okay, from here we're gonna drop down. So my heels are coming together, my knees are out. Okay, so I'm gonna do that to the front just so you can see me. So I'm going 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then I'm gonna click up, I'm gonna booty drop or booty lift, okay? So to the back, it looks like this, pop down. Okay, from here, I'm gonna turn to the front. So I'm using primarily that left heel. I'm going to use momentum to turn to the front. So when I turn to the front, my body's facing the left corner. And then I'm gonna bring my booty up on the right, bringing my hands through the thighs. Okay, so let's do that again from the top. 5, 6, 7, and tonight, girl, yes. And click, turn, and up. Okay, so everything's going to your right when you come up. My booty is out to the right. I'm coming up with a nice flat back. All right, let's try that again from the top. 5, 6, 7, and tonight, girl, yes. And click, turn, and up. Okay, from here, so once we came up, we're now going to just step on that toe. So once we came up, so we scooped on the right, we're going to then click, okay? So we're just clicking on that left, and we have a nice straight line. I'm pushing out that right hip, and then I'm gonna get ready for a roundabout. So I'm gonna go over that left leg, bringing it to a flat back, coming up on the right, okay? Now, if you're having trouble with this move, maybe your hamstrings are tight, again, make sure that you are stretched before this routine, but we also cover these moves in our fundamentals course. You can go back and really cover that roundabout here and get nice and fluid, okay? So let's take it again from the top. 5, 6, 7, tonight, girl, yes. And click, turn, and a woo. We go click, okay? So from here, we go around 2, 3, 4, okay? We're gonna snap the hands. So I'm snapping those hands back, and then I'm gonna body roll. So using the chest, I'm gonna walk back on the right and left, okay? Let's do it again. So again, starting from that booty scoop. So we came up to go click, around 2, 3, snap, right and left, okay? So from here, we went back, we did right and left, and then he's gonna say, talking that to me, okay? So we're gonna zip your lips to the left, and then zip it back to the right. So as I zip close to the left, I'm gonna look. So this is gonna be a zip, zip, again, zip, zip, okay? Zip, zip, and then I'm gonna throw that arm behind me. So that right elbow is leading, I'm coming back, all right? So let's take it again from the top all together. 5, 6, 7, tonight's your night, girl, yes, and click, turn, yes, and click, round, 2, 3, and snap, 1 and 2, and a zip, zip, throw. Yes. Okay. So if you know the words to this song, it's really helpful because we are working on the words primarily. If you don't know the words, don't worry. Okay. Don't stress, girl. Don't stress. All right. We're going to take it again from the top and then we'll add on. 5, 6, 7. Tonight's your night, girl. Drop and click, turn up and click, round, 2, 3, snap, 1 and 2, talking and